Chalo. Now see that here the flip-flop. How to do the flip-flop? There are 4 types of flip-flop. RS, JK, D, T. These are one flip-flop. If you can understand that, other flip-flop are very easy. Only you have to understand one flip-flop, and flip-flop is a where it is giving feedback, right? Yes, one state is depending on another state. That is flip-flop. Here you can see when it is set reset. How this is working? Set reset. 0 0 means no change. SR 0 0 no change. 1 0 set. 0 1 reset. 0 1 means reset. 1 0 means set. You can think like 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. This is S, this is R. Means it is no change. Remember like this way, then you will never forget. 0 1 means reset. 1 0 means set. 1 1 means this is forbidden. This is a problem of SR flip-flop. In 1 0 it don't know what will be the answer. That's why it is forbidden here. Okay, 1 0 it don't know the answer. So what is the meaning of no change, reset, set? Because it is depending on the previous state. It will depend on the previous state. If the previous state is 0, next state will be also 0. If the previous state is 1, next state will be also 1. That is the meaning of no change. Reset means what? Whatever the previous state 0 or 1, your next state will be 0. Set means what? Whatever your previous state 0 or 1, your next state will be 1. And this one is a question mark. Here SR flip-flop cannot give you answer. What will be my answer? It cannot give you. Okay. Now here in JK flip-flop, the excitation table of SR flip-flop is very important for doing counter. Counter questions they are asking already. Last year also they asked question on counter, and that's why the excitation table is very important. Everyone please concentrate so that you can understand. Otherwise you cannot understand. What is going on? I told you 0 0 means no change, right? So for 0 0 what is happening? When Q1 is 0 then also 0. When Q1 is 1 then also 1. That is means no change. When it is 0 1, for 0 1 it is reset. That's why both are 0. For 1 0 it is set. That's why both are 1. For 1 1 it is forbidden. So we wrote the truth table. Now from the truth table we have to prepare the excitation table. How the excitation table is coming? Check it. You can see the excitation table very carefully. I am checking the combination 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. This is my combination, right? Now in this combination, I hope it is visible. I hope this is visible. Is it or not? It is visible, right? So you can see when Qn is 0, Qn plus 1 is 0. Qn is 0, Qn plus 1 is 0. Here, right? Here also Qn is 0, Qn plus 1 is 0. Is there any one? No. So I have to focus on this one and this one. At that time, what was the value of SR? SR was 0 and 1. You can focus on this one. Okay, don't forget about this all. Now you are focusing on this one. In this row, if you are checking this row, S value is 0, R value is also 0. Here S value is 0 but R value is 1. Means R is creating a confusion. It can be 0, it can be 1. R is creating a confusion. It can be 0, it can be 1. S is fixed. For both S is fixed. That's why it will be 0, it will be confused, that is cross. That is the meaning, it is confused, that is cross. Okay. Same way, whenever you are taking 0 1, how to do that? For the 0 1, you can check here. How the 0 1 is working? Huh? Here what is going on, you can see 0 1. So I have to check where is 0, where is 1. 0 1, you can see here is 0 1. Any other one is 0 1? Is there any other one? No. So for 0 1 you can see SR value was, when Qn is 0, Qn plus 1 is 1, then the SR value was 1 and 0. That's why directly we can write it 1 and 0. No problem. Is this clear? Is this clear? Now for 1 0, if I am focusing on 1 0, where is 1 0? Where is 1 0? I can see here this one is 1 0. This one is 1 0. Is there any 1 0? No. For this one you can see here the value is 0 and 1. So no problem, you can write here 0 and 1. No problem. Where is 1 1? Now if you are checking 1 1, where is 1 1? Here also 1 1, here also 1 1. Right? This one is also 1 1, this one is also 1 1. Here S is 0, R is 0. Here S is 1, R is 0. Now again S and R is creating confusion. This is here creating confusion. That's why S is here, don't care, and R is 0. Clear? How the excitation table is coming, this is very important excitation, and you have to remember it. Truth table also you have to remember, excitation also you have to remember, because for doing counter question you need to remember it, and before memorizing you have to understand how it is working, how actually it is working, you have to understand. Is this clear? Is this clear to everyone? Reply guys, reply. I am talking from a long time, and if you are not replying, already some students left, I can see. Okay, good. Okay, very good. So same way, that's why the JK flip-flop. Now whenever you are doing JK flip-flop, how it is working? JK flip-flop, how it is working? Only JK flip-flop difference is there. Only the difference is here. Here was the 1 1, right? In SR flip-flop there was a problem. For 1 1 it was forbidden. So JK flip-flop, here it will be toggle, nothing else. In JK flip-flop this one will be changed to toggle. What is the meaning of toggle? If the previous state is 0, it will be changed to 1. If the previous state is 1, then it will be changed to 0. That is the difference in JK flip-flop, nothing else. JK flip-flop, that is only your difference. In JK flip-flop, if you think about JK, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, 0 0 no change, same, 0 1 reset, 1 0 set, 1 1 toggle. This is only the difference in JK flip-flop. Other than that, no other difference is there. Other than that, no other difference. It is only toggle. Okay, no other difference is there. And that's why you can see here, you according to that same way truth table will come, and from the truth table you will get the excitation table. Same way you are getting excitation table. Excitation table is very important. You need to remember it. I am not again discussing. Same way from here you can get it. Here you can see for this both 1 1, what are the changes for this both 1 1. When previous state is 0, next state is 1, previous state is 1, next state is 0. Other than that everything is same. Here this is no change. Here 0 1 means this is actually reset. This is 1 0 means this is actually set. See that? These are happening, right? If you divide, same thing. Only the change is here. That is because it is toggle. Nothing else. So SR flip-flop you understand means JK will be easy, D will be easy, T will be easy, everything will be easy. One flip-flop you remember means other flip-flop will be also easy. Because it is a related topic. They are related to each other. So one thing I remember means another thing will be also easy for me. Okay. Now D flip-flop. D flip-flop is the simplified version of SR only. D is the simplified version of SR. Because in SR you are giving two input, different input. But here instead of giving two input, D is taking only one input and it is giving the complement of that. Means that's why if you were thinking SR, what are the possibility? If I am giving S0, then at that time R will be 1. And if I am giving S1, then at that time it will be 0. That is only possible. Think about this is A, this is R. Think like this. If this is my S, this is my R. What are the possibility? Either 0, 1 or 1, 0 will be possible. Any other that anything is not possible. That is happening here when you are D, you are thinking about D. D is 0. D is 0 means 0, 1. That is actually reset. This is the value of D. D is 1. That is 1, 0. That is actually set. This is actually set, right? So that's why you can see when D0 is 0, that is reset means 0. That's why 0. When D is 1, that is actually what? 1, 0. That's why it is set, that is 1. Same way, when D0 is 0, that is 0. When D0 is 1, that is set. This is happening, nothing else. It's actually not depending on Q. Q is not affecting here. Ultimately, effect is with D. Because D is actually depending on SR. Think this is my S, this is my R. Here 0, 0 not possible, 1, 1 not possible. Anyhow, S and R, 0, 0 will be not possible, 1, 1 will be not possible. Only 0, 1 and 1, 0 will be possible. That's why only it can be 0 or it can be 1. This is the way you have to relate the flip-flop. SR is the simplified version of DA. D is the simplified version of SR. Actually it came from SR only. Clear? How to understand, is it clear? Nothing else. Nothing else. 0 means in your mind it will be okay. It is actually 0, 1. 1 means in your mind it should be okay. It is actually 1, 0. 0 means again it is 0, 1. This is actually 1. So that's why it is reset. This is also reset. This is set and this is set. Simple. Clear? Clear? Is this clear to everyone? And the same way now you can relate this when Q1 excitation table 0, 0. When both was 0, then what is the D value? When both was 0, 1, what is the D value? You can get the excitation table from here. Yes. T flip-flop is the simplified version of JK. It is actually JK. T is 0. T means 0 means J and K both is 0. T is 1 means actually J and K both are 1. So here ultimately 0, 0 and 1, 1 is possible. 0, 1 and 1, 0 will be not possible. That is happening here, right? Ultimately here 0, 0 and 1, 1 is possible. So when T is 0, that means what? No change. When T is 1, that means what? That is toggle. It will be toggle here. that is only happening. T is 0, T is 0 means no change. Here these are no change. Here T is 1, 1, that is means toggle, that's why here it's toggle. That is happened here. Yes, so that's why I told, when you understand SR, then JK is also easy, T is also easy, D is also easy. Just you have to understand, relate everything. Relate everything. Ultimately basic is SR. SR done means all are done. Clear? Is this clear to everyone? Same way you will get the excitation table. 0, 0 means what was the T value, 0, 1 means what was the T value. From here you will get the excitation table. Yes? Clear to everyone? Those who are getting confused about flip-flop, ma'am, I am not able to understand flip-flop. Easy, right? Now flip-flop is easy. Now flip-flop is easy. Easy fizzy. How is the Josh? Till now Josh is there or not? We have to do more. We are in flip-flop. Now we have to do more. How is the Josh? Yes, Josh is there or not? So एक स्माइली हो जाए. स्माइली में बहुत कुछ है, देख लो एक बार. In your chat box you can see lots of smiley. Lots of smileys are there. You can put the smileys here. I can see, if you put the smileys, I can see it in my chat box. Right? There are lots of smileys I can see in the chat box. If you put that, that will be, then you can get it, right? Yes. You know, here I can see now. It's looking so nice. When you are giving that, in that button there are so many things are there. Okay, chalo. Now I can see. It's floating. It's floating like this. It's looking very nice. It's floating like that. Okay, chalo. Okay, chalo, good. Now you can see here, this is actually your SR and D flip-flop together. You can remember like that. Together SR and D, that I was explaining you. And JK and T together you can remember. This is your final revision, right? SR and K and JK and T together you can remember like this. And here it is your excitation table. Very important. All the excitation table. SR, D, JK and T. Excitation table is very important. Write down it everyone, because now I am going to ask you counter questions. And that counter questions will be required. For that, this excitation table will be required. Write it down everyone. Otherwise you cannot do counter questions. Write down it in your notebook, everyone. Write down this. Two hours gone, Josh is there, huh? You know that my Josh is always there, right? My Josh is always there. If your Josh is there, my Josh is, there is no problem from my side. Just I want to see that yes, learners are there means okay. But see that I am teaching, but if you are able to get it, there is no problem. So try to share. Try to share with all of your friends. Tell them to join. Is it done? Writing is done? Writing is done. Can we go for the next? Excitation table writing done. पता नहीं चला 2 hours हो गया. पता नहीं चलेगा. अब मेरे साथ हो ना. जब मेरे साथ होगे तब कहाँ से टाइम निकल जाता है पता नहीं चलता है ना. चलो हो गया खत्म. Okay, so here now we will do the counter, because counters are very very important. Questions are coming from counter. Okay, they are asking question from counter. 2 minutes. Write it. Write it. Write it. Write down it. ओके डन. नहीं तो स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, नहीं तो स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. चलो, here counter is using for counting. It is a very important circuit, very important circuit. It is using for counting purpose. So counter is the device which store the something you are going to do, like there will be a sequence. Whenever I am counting 0 1 2 3, that sequence, or it can be in any other sequence, 0 3 4 5, it can be 0 6 8 9, any sequence, it can be in any sequence. I want to count it. That time we can use the counter. Counter is actually the combination of some flip-flop. Through the combination of flip-flop only you have to design counter. Whenever you are designing counter, that will be the combination of flip-flop. Okay, so here are two types of counter. There is synchronous counter and asynchronous counter. So synchronous counter and asynchronous counter, what is the difference? And counter is always working with the clock pulse. Means at that which time the flip-flop will be activated. In which time? It is in negative clock pulse or in positive clock pulse. This is called positive clock pulse. This is called negative clock pulse. Okay. And another time is also their trigger. What is called negative edge trigger? Means when at that falling edge, in this falling edge it is trigger, means it is called edge trigger negative. When it is in the high edge it is trigger, means it is called high level trigger. This is negative edge trigger and this is high level trigger. Okay, so here you can see the difference. Positive pulse means level clock is 1. In this one, here it is, you can see positive clock pulse. Negative clock pulse means here it is down, at that time negative. Rising edge means when the clock goes from 0 to 1. When it is goes from 0 to 1, that is called the rising edge. And falling edge means when it goes from 1 to 0, that is called the falling edge. Okay, this is very very important. Sometimes maybe your theory matching can also come. It is high chance that you can get the theory type matching type question from here. So write down it in your notebook. Write it down. What is positive pulse? What is negative pulse? What is rising edge? What is falling edge? Question can be there. Write it down. Okay. So clock is the periodical signal. When 0 and 1 is going on, same clock signal will be repeated. There will be clock. Without clock, counter cannot work. Okay. And without clock, any circuit, this is the working on flip-flop, right? It is also cannot work. Because to activate the flip-flop, the clock is required. So here there is the difference between synchronous and asynchronous also. What is the difference? Synchronous means with the same clock pulse. There will be a common clock pulse. Through the common clock pulse all are working. And asynchronous means what? Asynchronous means with the different clock pulse. Each and every one will take different clock pulse. That is called the asynchronous. That is the difference between synchronous and asynchronous. So before going to that, here this question is also important, because register, how the register will work, and register multiplexer together they ask this question. Do this question, after that we will go for the counter question. Think it, do it. After that I will go for this question. Tell me what will be the answer. Okay, answers are coming. Yes, how to do it? What is called the common bus system? What is called the common bus system? Common bus system means here will be a common multi-bit. Here a pair of signal lines facilitate the transfer multi-bit data and system to another known as the bus. Okay. The common bus is required where the computer for the communication with the register, memory decrease also. This is called the common bus. Now you can see here there are different types of register also that we will learn in computer architecture. Organization, instruction register, address register, temporary register, input register, output register, program counter, accumulator, data register. These are here. Okay. Now you can see this is a common bus system. Very carefully understand how the common bus is working. You can see here this bus is actually activating everyone. Right? Through this bus only everyone will work. Now how everyone can work? There are 4 register. 1, 2, 3, 4 register. Each and every register have 4 input also. Everyone have, see that here also 4 input, here also 4 input, here also 4 input, here also 4 input. Now at a time one register can pass the data. So that can be handled by this multiplexer. Because as you know multiplexer is giving many to one, right? At a time it will take many but it will send only one signal. That's why you can see how it is working. For the multiplexer 3 is taking input from the register D. Register D also third input. Here also from register B also third input. Register C also. From register B also the third input. From register A also third input. Means multiplexer 3 will take the third input of each multiplexer. Got it? So what register 2 will do? Multiplexer 2. Multiplexer 2 will take second input, second one from each and every multiplexer. So that is this second one, it will be taken from here. This second one will be here. This second one will work here and this second one will go there. Same way it will take 1th and this will be take the 0th one. This will take 1. This will take this one. Sorry, it will be not. Here it will be taken from here. It will take this one. After that this one. Then this one and this one. Like this way. Same way for the 0 also it will work. So at a time as they are taking from all, out of them all it will send only one data. That is going to select this one. It is going to select this one. It is going to give answer here. It is going to give answer here. This is the architecture. Now in this architecture, now you have to think. Here the question was what? Your question was that there are 8 registers, 16 bit each. So each and every register have 16 lines. Now how many multiplexer are required and to implement the common bus, and what is the size of the multiplexer? So you have to think about the number of multiplexer and the size of the multiplexer. So come to here. Number of multiplexer. Number of multiplexer, that is depending on actually how many lines are there in each and every register, right? Number of register is actually, number of multiplexer is actually depending on the capacity of register, right? That is how many input lines are there according to that, because for every one I have to connect, right? Is it or not? Is this number of register is depending on that? Is it or not? And the size of the multiplexer, here I am writing, the size of multiplexer is depending on, what will be the size? That is depending on the number of register, because from each and every register I am going to take that. From each and every register I am going to take that. So size of the register means input of the multiplexer. What will be the input of the multiplexer? That is equals to number of the register. Yes or no? It is number of register or not? Because from every one I am taking data, right? Third one, third one, third one, third one. From every one I am taking the data. Yes. So that's why my answer will be here, that there was 8 register. It was asking you that how many multiplexer are required, and each one is 16 bit, right? How many a multiplexer is required? 16 bit. So means 16 register will be required. Yes. And what will be the size? What will be the size of the multiplexer? That is depending on number of register. So number of register is 8. So input will be 8. 8 multiply into 1. That's why multiplexer size is 8 multiply into 1. So from here I am getting the multiplexer size, and from here I am getting the number of multiplexer. Yes, that is we are getting. It is depending on the bit, each bit. That is the number of multiplexer is capacity of the register. How many input bits are there? That is how many input bits. And size of the multiplexer, number of register. That is we get here. Clear? This is the way you have to get this answer. Is this clear to everyone? Clear? Yes. Good, very good. So here is the, you can see asynchronous counter. Asynchronous counter is the use the universal clock here. Here asynchronous means is don't use the universal clock, and synchronous means it will, here you can see it is the asynchronous counter, right? Asynchronous counter, here only one clock. This is working as different one. This is also different one. This is also different one. Every one have the separate clock. That's why it is called asynchronous counter. Whenever you are going for synchronous counter, what will be the change? As per the synchronous counter, if you are taking those flip-flop, always there will be a common clock. From this common clock it will work. That is called the synchronous one. Okay. Now whenever we are going for the ripple counter, what is called ripple counter? Sometimes questions are coming. For the timing diagram Q1, Q0, Q3, you can see ripple is generated, and that's why it is called ripple counter. Asynchronous counter, another name is ripple counter. This is only, this asynchronous name is ripple counter only, because it is changing as per the ripple. From here statement type question, assertion reason question can also come. They are asking you nowadays, right? Assertion reason question. They can tell you that asynchronous counter is another name is ripple counter, and they can give you this reason, that assertion and reason both are correct or not. Is it a correct explanation or not? In this way they can ask you question. So be ready for that and write down it. Okay. You can see here this 2-bit asynchronous counter. How we are making 2-bit asynchronous counter using JK flip-flop. This is an example. Here it is a synchronous, where synchronous counter means global clock. They are using the global clock. That is the difference in the synchronous. Here you can see example of synchronous using JK flip-flop. We are doing it. Okay, using JK flip-flop only you have to do it. Now Here there are two ways. Either they can give you circuit, from the circuit they can ask you what will be the answer, or mainly question are coming with the sequence. They will give you a sequence. I have to make up counter, down counter. There is up counter, 3-bit up counter, 2-bit up counter, down counter. Up counter, down counter means what? Up counter means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that it will work. Down counter means you will go for, if it is a 3-bit, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In that way it will work. This is the difference between up counter and down counter. Okay. Now I will show you first one question, that how to design the counter. Then I will ask you one question so that you can understand. Acha, before that here are some theoretical questions. Do it. Then I am going for the designing of counter. Quickly do that. Here it is a theory question. A fault can easily diagnosed by the microprogram control unit using the diagnostic tool maintaining the content. What will be the answer here? Tell me what will be the answer quickly. What will be the answer for this one? Yes, here answer will be flag, register, counter, all are using. That is the purpose why you are reading. Why we are reading this register, counter, flag, register, counter, all are using here. Option D is the correct answer. Okay. Now you can see here is a question on mod 2 counter using followed by mod 5. Mod 2 counter followed by mod 5 counter you have to do. So number of states, how many states will be required here? Acha, tomorrow Sunday 5:30 am. Those who are the paid learner, for them there is the doubt clearing session in PYQS course, right? Must come, everyone. Must come. There is the doubt clearing session for the PYQS MCQ course. That's why I arrange at 5:30 am so that Sunday there will be no problem for you. I hope so. There will be no problem for you. Definitely join. Tomorrow is Sunday, but still I arrange it. Yes, answer will be B, because just it is simple one. You have to do 2 multiply 5, because I have to take all the possibilities. So 2 multiply 5 means there will be 10 states only. Now you can see this is a question of 2023 March. They asked this question in March 2023. This is a question. Now to solve this question you have to answer, you have to understand how to solve. How to solve it? Here they provide a diagram, and from the diagram they are asking that if the PQR is 0, 0, 0, then what will be the next 3 state? That is you have to understand, right? Here they are asking. So how to do it? How we can do? You can see here Can you do it? Can you do it? You want to try? Try it little bit. Try it for, I am giving 2 minutes. Try it. I am coming in 2 minutes. Try it. After that I will explain. Try. First think what is that, what is going on here. First think, after that I will explain. Okay, do it. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Answers are coming. Okay, I can see option B, option B. So many students are telling option B, but option B is wrong. Option 1 is the correct answer. Option 1 is the correct answer. You are telling wrong. How to understand? You have to think. You have to understand. For understanding, you have to think. How to understand? See that. Here, whenever you are checking this diagram, check the diagram very carefully. What is the answer coming here? Answer is here. How to take? Here you have to check what is the input and output coming here. What is my input and what is my output? What will be my input and what will be my output? That is the first thing you have to understand. With the input output only you can create the truth table. How to create input output and how to create truth table? See very carefully. Here TP is taking the input of R. See that? TP is checking for R. That's why TP is Rn. What is TQ? TQ is taking from P bar. Right? That's why TQ is Pn bar. We are writing Pn means that is the previous state, and Pn plus 1 means that is the next state. It is the meaning, it is the way we are writing. Pn means this is previous state, Pn plus 1 means that is the next state. Because flip-flop will work with previous state, next state only. Okay, everyone concentrate. Here TR is coming from Q bar. That's why TR is QN bar. Is this clear? How it is working? Is this part is clear? How this is working? Yes. First of all, this is important. What is the value of TP? What is the value of TQ? And what is the value of TR? This is most important. First thing is this one. You have to understand this. Okay. After that, the excitation table, I told you. The excitation table is very important. To do any counter question, if you are not able to remember excitation table, then you cannot do. SR excitation, JK excitation, T excitation and D excitation. That is just now we did here, right? Just now here I was discussing with the excitation table. Where here. This excitation table is very important. You have to remember. If you are not able to remember, then question cannot be done. Must remember it, must practice it. For exam hall, it is very important. Excitation table. You can see the excitation table of T flip-flop was this one. This was the excitation table. So from this excitation table, you can solve this one. Okay. Here now I will solve from this excitation table. T flip-flop excitation table is when T is 0, then Qn plus 1 is Qn. And T1 is 1 means this is Qn bar 1, because in T it is coming from JK only, 0 0 and 1 1 is possible only. 0 0 means no change, 1 1 means toggle. That's why it is Qn and Qn bar. Simple, right? Now here we will do this table. How to do this table? Check it. Here your initial state was given 0 0 0. In the question it was given that initial state is 0 0 0. What are the next 3 states? Always you have to create a truth table. The truth table will be simple with 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. That will be simple way we will write. Always truth table will be in a same way, same manner. 4, 5, 6, 7. Because there are 3 input, using 2 to the power 3, 8 combination is possible. Write down 8 combination simple. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 in that way. Okay. Yes. Now we have to think. Now previous state is predefined. You are predefining the previous state. Because according to truth table you are writing all the number. Now what will be the next state? That is depending on this one. What will be my next state? That is depending on the excitation table. How? Here Pn is 0. What will be my Pn plus 1? What will be my Pn plus 1 when Pn is 0? And that is depending on the Tp. What was the value of T at that time? That is depending on this. So, when Pn is 0, T is 0. When T is 0, Pn is 0, then actually there was no change. So, no change. Tp is 1, then it will be toggle. So, 0 will be changed to 1. T is 0, no change. That's why 0 will be 0. T is 1, that is toggle. So 0 will be changed to 1. 0 means no change. 1 will be 1 itself. 1 means toggle. 1 means toggle. That's why 1 will be 0. 0, no change. 1 will be 1. 1, toggle. That is toggle. This is the simple thing. When it is depending on T only, right? T only. T is 0 means it will be no change. T is 1 means it will be toggle. This is the simple way you have to fill. Same way for the TQ. 1 means toggle. It was 0, it will be 1. It is 1 means toggle. This is 0, it will be 1. This is 1 means toggle. Again 1, that will be 0. Same way for TR. 1 means toggle. 0 will be changed to 1. 1 means toggle, 1 will be changed to 0. Simple way. Right? Now to here ma'am, you are to telling that this one, now how we will fill this one? Right? Now your question will be, ma'am, you are to telling very easily that okay, TP is 0, I am getting the next state. But how to fill TP, TQ, TR, ma'am? How you are getting this value, right? This question is coming to your mind or not? How to fill this part, ma'am? TP, TQ, TR. You are telling this is to 0 to 1, that is okay. 0 to 7, I fill it. So regarding this value, I will get this one, that is also okay, ma'am. But TP, TQ, TR, how it is coming? It is your doubt or not? Tell me. Yes? Yes, that is a doubt. Ki how I have to fill this one, ma'am? Here, though, I am not able to understand how to fill this one. Yes, this one will be filled how? Using these values. TP equals to this, TQ equals to this, TR equals to this. Right? TP, what was the value? TP equals to Rn. Rn is 0, means TP will be 0. TQ, TQ is Pn bar. So Pn was 0. TQ is Pn bar. Check it from here. From where it is coming, ma'am? Here it is coming. Here TQ is Pn bar, so Pn value was 0, bar means 1. TR means Qn bar, Qn is 0, so it will be 1. Same way, TP I have to take Rn, so it is Rn, that is 1. TQ I have to take Pn bar, so Pn is 0, means it is this one. TR is Qn bar, so Qn is 0, bar means 1. Like this way you have to fill this part, okay? First of all you have to fill it 0 to 7, directly write it. After that you have to fill this one. After filling this one you have to fill this one. That is the value of TP, TQ, TR. You have to fill this total. After that only you can fill the next state. After that only you can fill the next state. Is this clear to everyone? Is this clear? How to fill? How to solve? Yes. Those. Achha, who is there? Who are there? I want to see that from the first to last till now you are here. I want to raise your hand. Tell me, yes, I am here from first to last. Till now. I am continuing. But some of the students are not able to hold on. Those who are hold on from the first to last. We started the class at 5 p.m. and now it's going to be 8. Who are present till now? Yes. And those who are watching recording also, let me know in the comment section. Yes, till now I am present here. Till now I am watching. Okay. So here, that's why you are filling it. Now though this is easy. Now it is easy. What will be my answer? When it was 0, 0, 0. Acha. Khodayaza, Vijaya Rani, Parkavi, Tamil, Nivedita, Lekka, Kishori, Lakshmi Priya, Sathiya, Pravina, Bhavani, Minachi, Umarani, Sri Ramaya, Shomya. Very good, very good. Those who are here, yes, you have that patience. Congratulations. Congratulations to you. You have that patience. Very good. Manikam, Bhavani, good, good, good. I am so happy to see that. Yes. Yes, very good. Those who are there, I know that who was there. Okay, suddenly you cannot tell me. So 0, 0, 0. When the 0, 0, 0, what was the next state? Next state was 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 1. So after 0, 0, you got 0, 1, 1. Now you have to check. Here was 0, 1, 1. So when it is 0, 1, 1, what was my next state? 1, 0, 1. That is 1, 0, 1. Now you have to check where is 1, 0, 1. Here is 1, 0, 1. So when it is 1, 0, 1, what is the next state? That is 0, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 0. So this counter is working how? If this counter is working 0, 0, after that it is going to 0, 1, 1 means 3, after that it is going to 5, after 5 it is coming to 0. So this is the counter 0, 3, 5. The counter is doing actually 0, 3, 5. This is the way it is working, right? 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 5. Always the counter will work like that. This is the sequence of the counter 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 5. This is the sequence of this counter. Got it? How to get the counter? Is this clear to everyone? I hope so. It's clear. How to do the counter? It's clear. Yes, this is the way you have to solve the question of counter. You can see here is another question. Okay, Aruna, you are also very good. Here is another question. Here it is asking you 3-bit down counter using JK flip-flop. This is the last question. Quickly I will, you can pause it, you can do the latter also as a home task. After that you can check the answer, but as the time is not there, that's why directly I am doing it, because by 8 PM I will end the session. 8 PM there is the class again. So here that's why I will end it. So here you can pause also, you can try, after that you can watch the solution. So here it is asking you JK, output will be this 101 and expression is this one. What will be the answer? How to do it? This is another way. Here previously they provide you a diagram. Here they did not provide you a diagram. Here they are asking what will be these values, right? Where they are asking that. So here what will be? Here I have to do what? Down counter. It is down counter. So when I have to do the down counter, how to do it? Down means what? I told 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's why present state is 7, next state is 6. Present state is 6, next state is 5. Present state is 5, next state is 4. 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 0, 0, 7. You have to prepare first of all present state, next state. After present state, next state, using this JK flip-flop, this is the excitation table of JK flip-flop. Through the JK flip-flop, you have to fill these values. You have to write it 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So it is the previous state, next state you are writing. When it is 0, this one 1. 0, 1. Previous state is 0. Next state is 1, then it was 1D. That's why you will fill here for the 0, 0 it is 1D. When this is 0, 1, then also it is 1D for 1D. When this is 0, this is also 1. That's why it is also 1D. Okay, you have to think this is my Q0. Q0 means I have to fill J0. Q0, Q next means I have to fill J0. Q1, Q next means I have to fill J and K1. Q2, J2 means I have to do J2 in this way. Okay. Same way you can fill this one also 0, 1. Whenever 0, 1 then it is D1. Okay. 1, 0. 1, 0 means it was D1. It is 1, 0 means it will be D1. Like this way you will fill the excitation table, and after filling the excitation table, now you have to get the equation. How to get the equation? Just column wise you can check where at the 1 you can get the equation by doing the K-map. By doing the K-map you can get the equation. Okay, this is the way you can get the equation. So here you can see how to get the equation for J2. Here J2 means it was 0, 0, 0, 1. Here in this K-map some mistake can be there because it is my old copy. I think some mistake is there in this K-map. Okay, in this K-map, see that. I am telling, whenever you are learning, don't think about 10 marks or 20 marks. Don't think about 10 marks or 20 marks because you don't know from where, how they will ask question. This attitude is a very bad attitude. I am preparing for MCQ exam, so I will do only those things what is solvable in 1 minute. I am telling you, always remember, for 2 marks question, to confirm your marks for 2 marks question, maybe it is solvable using 30 seconds. You can solve in 30 seconds. You need to invest your 30 days time. If you are investing properly 30 days time for a subject, for a topic, for that specially topic, then only you can secure that 2 marks. Don't think that 2 marks in 2 minute learning you can secure. It's not possible. It is lengthy, definitely lengthy, but they are asking question. They are asking question, right? So this attitude is very bad. I can leave it. I can leave it, but I am not leaving because it's required, it's important. How they will ask question, you don't know. If concept is clear, then from anywhere you can. Even also nowadays comprehension type is there. 10 marks question is there. They can ask from 1 question only, they can prepare 5 question and 10 marks can be there. Right? Lengthy, yes, it's lengthy. You have to learn lengthy thing. When you are learning the big things, then only you can do small thing. If you are thinking I will learn small thing, you cannot do anything. This is the thing. That is very important. Okay. So how to do the K-map, that is very important. So fill the K-map. I am just showing here how to do one K-map. I will show you. Just this K-map is a old copy. So don't go for this old copy. Here I am taking it and I will show you one thing so that you can understand. Here just when here when I am filling J2, so I am doing J2. For J2, how I can get? Here here what is required for J2? For J2, I have to fill this value. How I can fill the value regarding 0, Q0, Q1, Q2, right? Here it is fill in different way. I will fill it now Q0, Q1, Q2 in this way, because in this way your sequence will be correct. Okay, so it is what? It is 0, 1 and this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Means it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now see, for 0, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where are the 1? For 0, there is 1. It is 1. And D, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are D. D. 4, 5, 6, 7. These are D's. Now you have to think how I can do the grouping. I have to think about grouping, right? So here is only the possible grouping. Is there any other possibility? Because my target is 1. My target is not D. My target is 1. To cover the 1, I can take the D. Unnecessarily don't make it okay, I will do this D. No. My target is 1. So for that, this is only possible. So from here, what is the expression you are getting? Q1, Q2 to already cancel. So J2 equals to, you are getting Q0. Right. In the answer also you can see that J2 equals to, you are getting where J2 equals to Q0. So 2, 4, 3. So J2, it was 2, 4 and 6. Actually another answer was there. Here was another part. Maybe that is missing. So but your answer will be here. J2 will be here. J2 will be Q0, Q1 cancel. So it will be Q1, Q2. Because Q1, Q2 is here. Q0 cancel, right? Q1, Q2. That will be the answer. Got it? How to get? Because Q1, Q2 is here, right? Q1 bar, Q2 bar. Q1 bar, Q2 bar. My answer is coming Q1 bar, Q2 bar. This is my answer. Ultimately you will get like this way. Got it? That's why you are getting here Q1 Q2 bar. Q1 Q2 bar. It will be not Q0. Q1 Q2 bar. This is the way you can solve, so that no. Here also it is wrong. Here also it is wrong. This is very important to maintain the sequence. If you are not maintaining sequence, then your answer will be wrong. Your answer will be wrong. You have to maintain the sequence. The sequence is here Q2, Q1, Q0. So here you have to make Q2, Q1, Q0. This sequence is very important, otherwise your answer will be wrong, because here the sequence is Q2, Q1, Q0, right? So that's why according to this sequence, if I am writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, now it will be correct. For the 0 it is 1, 0 it is 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7 is D, 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 D. Now where I am making grouping, this is the grouping. So it is 0, 1 cancel, Q2 cancel. My answer will be Q1 bar, Q0 bar. That is J2. J2 is Q1 bar, Q0 bar. So now you are getting this answer, Q1 bar, Q0 bar. That's why you have to fill like this sequence. You have to fill in this sequence. Whatever sequence you have written, in that sequence only if you are doing K-map, then only answer will be correct. Otherwise answer will be wrong. Clear? Clear? Same way you have to get for K2, J1, K1, J0, K0. Answer will be this one. These are the answer, but here in the K-map, any of the K-map may be wrong. May be wrong. I will suggest you can do this, because this is in my student copy. When I was their student, at that time I did it. Previously when I was doing in the class, I saw there is a mistake. So don't go for it. Go for like this way. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. But answer will be this one only. These are the answers. These are the answers only. Okay. Chalo, bye. Clear? So already we did all the questions, how to solve, and your ultimate, your complete digital logic is done. Complete digital logic is done. I will request everyone, those who are here till now, after the class, come back to here, come back to this session and comment. After 30 minutes, you can come back to this link and you can comment in that link. That is a request to you. Okay, not here, not in the live chat. After 10 minutes, after 5 minutes, when I will stop that, then you can come back and you can comment. Okay, and there is the paid course. You can go for that paid course for the computer science PYQS MCQ, 2000 only, not very big deal. You can take it for that practice every day. 5:30 AM I am taking class. Tulasi ma'am is taking class for paper 1, 1000 rupees. You can go for batch. Batch will be more beneficial because 2500, very nominal charge. Anywhere you will not get this type of dedication with this type of way. You cannot get here. 2500 for paper 1, paper 2, both you can do till the exam. This course will be till end of November and validity will be till December, because December is your exam, right? So you can definitely go for it. Only 2500 for batch course. Paper 2, 2000 only. Paper 1, 1000. And those who want to get the PDF version is available only here. What is going on in this 45 days crash course? Today's PDF also I will upload there. So it is 999 rupees only for the 45 days crash course PDF. All the subject wise PDF you are getting here. Okay. Bye everyone. See you again tomorrow. Tomorrow I will try to arrange a session. Let's see. Tomorrow maybe I can arrange a session if possible, or otherwise something excitement can be there tomorrow, something special can be there tomorrow. Okay. Yes, debit card, credit card, Paytm, Google Pay, UPI, everything is available. Everything is available. No problem. Just you can go for payment. From the payment you can do it. No problem. And after taking the batch course, you can get the content here. Okay. Whenever you will take the payment here, then after that the paper 1, paper 2 both will be available to you. Separately you should do the classes. Here you will not get the live class. Here you will get the live classes. Paper 1, paper 2 both separately will be available to you. Separately you can do the class. 8 p.m. ma'am is taking. 8 p.m. ma'am is taking the class. Thulasi ma'am. And 5:30 a.m. I am taking. Tomorrow is doubt clearing session. 5:30 a.m. must join everyone. Okay. Bye. Bye everyone.